If you're a busy blogger or website owner, you know how time-consuming it can be to constantly publish new content. That's why today, we're going to show you how to schedule posts in your WordPress website so you can save time. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Post menu. Click on the Add New Post. Write your post title. Write your post content. Click on Edit Publish immediately. Set time and date for post publishing. Click on OK. Finally, click the blue Schedule button. That's it. Your post will now be published automatically at the chosen date and time. Thank you for watching this tutorial on scheduling posts in WordPress. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more WordPress tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.